Hi, we're KCPOS and we've been helping businesses with their EPOS and stock control needs for nearly 20 years. And a particular type of business that we've really enjoyed helping has been trade counters. By trade counters, I'm talking about everything from builders merchants and plumbing merchants to tile, fencing and agricultural trade counters. So any sort of retail business that's working in a business-to-business environment, selling to trade or selling to customers on account. Now, there's a number of reasons why we've had great success working with this type of business. Firstly, these are businesses with a lot of stock control requirements. They've often got high volumes of stock and lots of variety in their stock. So it's really important that they can manage the relationship between their stock file and their stock management and their EPOS system. The way KCPOS is built is it sits directly on top of your accounts package, whether that's as commonly as Sage 50 or 0 accounts, where we can integrate directly with that so you don't have to maintain two stock files and maintain a huge amount of information in a finance system and also in your trade counter system. Now, what we commonly find because of this challenge is that trade counters are actually using their accounts package in the trade counter environment. They're using Sage 50 or whatever their accounts package is on a computer on the counter. That gets rid of the problem of having two stock files and duplicated information, but it brings new problems because an accounts package is not designed to serve customers and work in a retail environment. So we bring the best of both worlds. We've got an EPOS system that's designed to be quick and effective at looking after and serving your customers, but it's working directly from your finance system in terms of the stock and customer information. Because we've worked with this industry for so long, there's loads of other functionality and features that our trade counters absolutely love. One of them is the haggle feature. This is where, from the till, we can give you visibility of the margin and the profit that you're making on a transaction, so you can work and haggle on the fly with your customer, working with the margins that you're comfortable with. So let's take a bathroom, for example, where a plumber has come in and spec'd up a bathroom they'd like to purchase from you as a plumber's merchant. Now, usually they'd want to negotiate with you and you'd have to either know off the top of your head or consult your finance system for what that cost you, what your potential margin is on it. That's going to slow down your negotiation and put you in a less powerful position. Whereas with KCPOS, all that costing information is available in front of you as you negotiate with your customer. When you come to a deal, whether that's a blanket deal on the whole solution or whether you want to do a line-by-line discount, we can easily manage that on the fly in KCPOS and post a transaction straight through into your finance system. Another area really important and really valuable for trade counters is customer-specific pricing. It's really common in a trade counter environment, as I'm sure you'll know, for different customers to have different pricing depending on their status with you. Your most loyal customers and highest spending customers may get preferential rates on certain products. Now, rather than that being in your head or in a folder or back in the back office, KCPOS knows about those customer specific pricing, reading them directly from your finance package. So as you put the transaction through on the till, all you need to do is let KCPOS know who the customer is, and it will automatically recalculate all the pricing to match their own price lists. And when it comes to their credit limits, if you're giving your customers credit limits, again, you don't want that to need to be in your head or in the back finance system. KCPOS knows about it, so it's going to flag up to you or your staff if anybody has hit their credit limit and allow you to take action there and then. So these are just a couple of the really good examples of how KCPOS can be really valuable in a trade counter environment. Like I said, we've got tons of customers in this industry, so we know exactly what sort of information you need and how you need your system to work. But don't just take my word for it. Get in touch with us and book a free demonstration, and what we'll do is we'll show you how KCPOS is tailored to the trade counter environment, and we'll prove it with, like I said, a free demonstration. So get in touch and let's start that journey together straight away.